I'm Lisa, and I am delighted to welcome you to the Whimsy Stamps channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I often hear how difficult it is to create get well or recovery cards, especially for men. This is why I'm so excited to introduce Whimsy Stamps Big BooBoo 4x6 clear stamp set. I'll show you the entire set stamped out while I give you a few details. Also, make sure you stick around because I have a few examples to share with you at the end of the video. Now, the Big BooBoo stamp set includes 16 stamps varying in size and font. This will definitely be one of your favorite stamp sets for get well cards and something you're going to be grabbing a lot. Now, using the Big BooBoo stamp set in combination with the BooBoo Man-flu stamp set makes creating quick and easy cards a breeze. Now, here are the examples I promised earlier. Not only does the Big BooBoo stamp set go great with the slimline Big BooBoo die set and that BooBoo Man-flu stamp set, but it's great on its own or with previously released products. Now, for more information on the products you've seen in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the links in the description box directly below. Be sure to join us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group, and we would love to have you follow us on Instagram and Pinterest, where you'll find more inspiration. Until next time, please take care.